a penny for your thought. Won't you agree that the crux of happiness lies in the first bite of Penne Arrabbiata? Check out the recipe so you can do too. In order to make this delicious pasta, you must get your hands on tomato, minced garlic, penne pasta, salt and black pepper, onion, oregano, tomato puree, olive oil, and dry chili flakes. Begin with boiling penne pasta into hot water till al dente. Take a pan and place it on low heat. Add olive oil, chopped onion, red chili flakes, and minced garlic. Saute this for 2 minutes till the onions are translucent. Then add chopped tomato and oregano, salt, pepper along with tomato puree and cook for another 5 minutes. Add water to the tomato mixture and let it boil for 10 minutes till it reaches the desired consistency. Now add cooked penne and mix it nicely. Your Valeri Bertinelli penne pasta is ready. Sprinkle some dried parsley and serve hot. Happy cooking!